Hi, it's Jimmy from PhD Plus. Does your ERP understand metal finishing, or are you forcing your team to work around it every day? Many ERP systems were built for general manufacturing, not finishing operations. That means they're often missing critical capabilities like bath management, plating specifications, and customer-specific requirements. PhD Plus was built specifically for the metal finishing industry, helping companies manage plating specifications, bath operations, quality requirements, and more, all within a single ERP platform. Read our full blog, 5 Signs Your ERP is Holding Your Finishing Business Back, to uncover all 5 warning signs and what they could be costing your operation. Schedule a discovery call with PhD Plus. We'll help you evaluate whether your current ERP is supporting your finishing processes or creating unnecessary workarounds.